How to sell puts on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin Bisnell, and today I've got in how you can sell puts on Robinhood. Now the process is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. Now if you're on this video, I am aware that you must know what is the sell puts option on Robinhood. I'll just be guiding you through the process on how you can find that particular option to sell puts on Robinhood. Now the process is simple. You want to open up your Robinhood application, and then you want to head into a particular stock detail page that you're wishing to sell puts on. So if there is a particular stock, now in here you'll be able to see the trade option there, right? So what you want to do is you want to tap on trade. Now for this you'll have your options trading enabled. You'll have to have it enabled. So you want to tap on trade, and then you'll get three different options, that is buy, sell, and you'll get the options trading. You want to tap on options trading, and once you do so, there you'll get the option that is and puts option. You'll get the buy sell option and call put option, right? You want to select the sell and put option selected, and you'll get the whole bunch of numbers there. You can select them and go through particular options that you wish to. You'll have to go them through yourself, and then you'll be able to sell puts on Robinhood. So this way you can sell puts on Robinhood. Basically you want to head into the particular stock detail page, tap on trade, and then tap on options trading, and there you want to select the sell and put option. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.